Picture description. Very colorful picture I have taken and included in your syllabus. And you have done the unit number 1, section number 1, Dreams of the Future. Page number 13. This is from your course book, and you have read the story about the 4 sisters who were going towards the woods, and they were taking their things, and Laurie was also following them. This is the picture when they are sitting in the woods and they are discussing their future. So you are not going to write the story about this, just going to add the simple sentences that what things you are watching in this story, and this picture, and this picture is the description should be in the present indefinite tense. I have taken some written some word banks also, so that it can help you out. You can see 4 girls and they are wearing hats, white hats, and you can see one boy sitting near the tree, and he is holding a book in his hand. Then you can see a food basket, a doll in one girl's hand, then backpacks, yarn balls and their yarn sticks, chair, and they are sitting in a garden. You can say it's a garden, you can say it's wood, anything you want to write. Just write only 10 sentences. Voices, active, passive voice. And specifically today we are going to talk about future indefinite tense. And if you want to know the information about what is active voice, what is passive voice, we have done a whole lecture on it, and you can check the introduction of this active passive voice on my video. It's on my YouTube channel. You can click on this link and you will get to that video, and after that come back to, if you want to know what is active sentence. Active sentence is when the subject is doing an action. Subject, main verb and object. But when we are taking the main object into subject, we change the subject into object, that is called passive sentence. So the rules are subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Use of, in every passive sentence we are going to use third form of verb. Then we use by and use of helping verb according to tense. And today we are going to talk about future indefinite tense. All sentences will be in future, and we are going to change them into will be. The sentence will be in will, and the helping verb will be will, and we are going to change them into will be. Now let's take a look on the example. She will write a poem. The passive of this sentence will be a poem. Will is changed into will be, and write is changed into third form of verb, written. We are adding by also, and she is changed into her. She will not write a poem. A poem will not be written by her. Will she write a poem? Will a poem be written by her? The sentence structure will stay the same, and just we are going to use the subject and object exchange. Let's do the practice of future indefinite tense active passive voice. Change the active voice into passive voice. I will decorate the house. Will is going to change into will be. Decorate will become decorated. So you're going to change subject into object and object into subject. They will play football. Ahmed will recite the Quran. Teacher will not teach us. Will you accept my invitation? Answers of these practice sentences: change the active voice into passive voice. The house will be decorated by me. I is changed into me. And they will play the football. Football will be played by them. The Quran will be recited by Ahmed. We will not be taught by the teacher. Will my invitation be accepted by you?